Hello, I'm Mr. M from Git4Dev. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to create elevation profile in QGIS. Before I start, don't forget subscribe to my channel to get a new information about GIS. The first thing, you need to install Profile Tool. Go to Plugin menu. Click on Manage and Install Plugin. Search for Profile Tool. Click on Profile Tool in a result list and click Install Plugin. Download and install plugin might take some time. If everything gone well, you will see message plugin installed successfully. Close this window. Next step, import file. Go to Open Data Source Manager. Click on Raster tab. Browse file. In this case, I will open two files. One, dem from ALOT. It has resolution 12.5 meter. 2. Dem from SRTM. It has resolution 30 meter. Click Open. Click Add and close this window. I will give you example file below this video. I would like to change symbology of layer. Double click on SRTM layer. Change render type from single band gray to hue shade. Increase set factor to 10. Click Apply and click OK. I'm going to do same step again for this layer. Click on Plugin. Select Profile Tool and click on Terrain Profile. Profile Tool will appear under or above map. Zoom to any area which you want. In this case, I zoom to this area. Select layer which you want to create elevation profile. I select SRTM and then click Add Layer. Then I select another layer and click Add Layer. Change color of second layer from red to green and click OK. Let's create polyline. Click on Map. Double click if you want to finish drawing. You will see value in the chart. Red line is SRTM and green line is ALOT Pulsar. You can change type from high to slope percent. Change type from slope percent to slope degree. You can zoom in or zoom out in graph. If you would like to export this graph, you can click Save As for export. Click on Table tab. First table is a SRTM and second table is a ALOT Pulsar. You can create temporary layer from the red polyline in vector format by click this button. Now I will show you attribute table. For each row in attribute table is had high value. If you have any question, you can write down in a comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ